Do you want to see how I turn this old twist to this lovely juicy curls? Stay tuned and watch. 1, 2, go! If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. For my lovely subscribers, I love you, fam. So I posted a video on juicy twist, and I said in that video that I was only gonna have it for 1 week. I think I have it for longer, I can't remember. But then I said in that video I was going to take it down and turn it into something else, and this is me doing exactly that. In this video, I'm going to take down the twist and turn it into a lovely juicy curls. So I'm using cream of nature with argan oil from Morocco for natural hair, moisture rich hair butter, to moisturize my hair, give it hydration and make it soft. Also to make it frizz-less and protect it from breakage. I'm going to apply this all over the twist, and I applied a really good amount. Now I'm going to move ahead to apply anti-jerky curl cream on the twist also to define the curls. So it is called anti-jerky's curls and coils flaxseed recipe or recipes, no, recipes, flaxseed recipes, coil maintenance, anti-poof, defining coil whip for natural curls, coils and waves. And after, I'm going to apply the Kusa hair grease on my scalp, like all over my scalp. I have a dry scalp, and if I've had this for 1 week, then I know it's more drier, so I needed to moisturize my scalp. You can use oil if you have anything you have. This is what I have, so I used this. Now, would you see the difference? Just see the difference between that. Like, you can see the old picture of how the twist looked and how it looks now. Looks refreshed. I can even just leave it and just go out like that. But I needed to take it down. Then I start taking down the twist, and what I did is that I dip my hand in the anti-jerky's curl cream, just take a little bit and apply it on the twist and then untwist it. That is take it down. And the reason why I did that is that with a twist you have to be careful when taking down your hair, because I noticed that if my hair is dry and I don't moisturize it without taking the twist down, it breaks. Or it get knotted up, then it leads to breakage. So if I'm actually not gonna do anything to my hair and I'm taking the twist down, I would use water to just soften it up. So because I want this to be turned into a coily hair look, I had to use the anti-jerky's curl cream to make the taking down of the twist easier, and secondly to define the curls more, and thirdly to moisturize it and make it really juicy. And like, I can't stress the word enough, moisturized. So I'm also gonna add some mixed oil on my hair to give it some shine and seal in the moisture. And oops, look at that. I sprayed it. I think I sprayed it on the wall. Oh no. Wow, it's dripping down. And now I'm just going to add some jam to lay down my edges. Just the one in the front. Doesn't really, it's optional, but this is just like the finishing look. And then I'm going to start styling it the way I want. I'm gonna show you different styles. I did middle, I did a side part, and I'm gonna use some bobby pin to make the style work. I think my favorite is the side part. What do you guys think? Do you like it also? I love this, and I'm telling you, when I wore this to work, people, my co-workers and my bosses, like everybody was telling me, just leave your hair like this. Is this your hair? I'm like, no, the natural texture is not this, but it's my hair. And they were like, just come to work like this every time. So people loved it. It was actually pretty in person. I have to clean the oil off. I don't like it on the wall. So it was pretty in person, but my camera wasn't clear enough. It didn't really bring the beauty of the curls and the hair out. But thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you, staying till the end and seeing this. And please share this video, let others see it. And also, if you've not subscribed already, please subscribe, turn the notification bell to see more of this. And I appreciate you all. I love you. Stay beautiful always.